Certainly, here are some WordPress tips and tricks that can help you make the most out of your WordPress website. Keep WordPress and plugins updated. Regularly update WordPress core, themes, and plugins to ensure you have the latest features, bug fixes, and security patches. Use a reliable theme. Choose a well-coded, responsive, and regularly updated theme from a reputable source. It can enhance the overall performance and security of your website. Optimize images. Large images can slow down your website. Use image optimization plugins like Smush or EWWW Image Optimizer to compress images without sacrificing quality. Install a caching plugin. Caching plugins like W3 Total Cache or WP Super Cache can improve your website speed by generating static HTML files instead of dynamically loading pages for each visitor. Utilize SEO plugins. Install an SEO plugin like Yoast SEO or All-in-One SEO Pack to optimize your website for search engines. These plugins can help with meta tags, XML sitemaps, keyword optimization, and more. Implement security measures. Protect your website from potential threats by using security plugins like WordFence or Securi. Enable two-factor authentication. Limit login attempts, and regularly back up your site. Enable SSL. Encrypting your website with an SSL certificate, HTTPS, is essential for security and boosts your site's credibility. Many hosting providers offer free SSL certificates through Let's Encrypt. Customize permalinks. Set up SEO-friendly permalinks that include keywords and make your URLs more readable. Go to Settings Permalinks in your WordPress dashboard to customize the structure. Use categories and tags effectively. Organize your content using categories and tags. Categories represent broad topics, while tags help with more specific keyword targeting and interlinking related content. Utilize widgets and sidebars. Take advantage of widgets and sidebars to enhance the functionality and appearance of your website. You can add features like recent posts, social media buttons, or a search bar. Optimize website for mobile. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly and responsive. Use a responsive theme and test your site across different devices to provide a seamless user experience. Enable comments moderation. Prevent spam by enabling comment moderation. You can find this option under Settings Discussion in the WordPress dashboard. Consider using plugins like Akismet to automatically filter spam comments. Back up your website regularly. Regularly back up your WordPress website to protect against data loss or potential issues. Use plugins like Updraft Plus or Backup Buddy to automate the backup process. Monitor website analytics. Install Google Analytics or any other analytics tool to track your website's performance. Analyze visitor behavior, traffic sources, and popular content to make data-driven decisions. Learn keyboard shortcuts. WordPress has several keyboard shortcuts that can speed up your workflow. For example, you can use Ctrl+S to save a draft or Ctrl+C/V to copy/paste content. Remember, always test changes on a staging site or backup before implementing them on your live website. These tips should help you optimize your WordPress site, improve its performance, and provide a better user experience.